This is a message to jumbo loan homeowners considering a strategic default. If you are upside down and underwater with your jumbo home mortgage, then you owe it to yourself to listen for the next couple of minutes and see how we can help you save your home and your credit while saving you thousands off your mortgage and monthly payments. Hi, I'm Neil Howe and I represent a group of investors that purchase luxury residential loans at a discount. I'll explain further. In today's lending climate, a lot of banks are willing to sell their higher end loans that are upside down at a discount. Assuming I am able to buy your loan at a discount, I will become your new lender, and since I am able to buy that loan at a discount, I will basically do a new loan with you at a much lower amount, saving you thousands. To help you understand better, let me give you an example. Recently, we bought a loan at a discount on a house that had a loan for 1.2 million and did a new loan with the owner for 800,000. So she went from 1.2 million down to 800,000 and she kept her house, she didn't damage her credit and lowered her overall debt approximately $400,000. Now after hearing that, I'm sure you have some questions, but before wasting your time or mine, let's make sure you meet our criteria so we know if this will even work for you. Now, first thing is we only do these for jumbo loans over 417,000 or whatever the non-conforming loan limit is in your county. What is your loan balance? Is it over that amount? You also must be upside down in your mortgage. What do you think your home is worth today compared to your mortgage? The next thing is a big one. You cannot do this if you're in default and or your credit is damaged. This is not a short sale or a loan modification. Your current credit score must be 720 or higher. Occasionally we can go as low as 680, but 720 and above is ideal. The reason this matters is because when you buy your loan, my investors don't want to carry the loan long term, so we immediately get you a refinance with a long-term lender. Now remember the example I gave earlier? That property actually appraised for $1 million, and since her new loan with us was 800,000, she was easily able to refinance. So your credit is important because we want to make sure that you can qualify for that refinance. Now, income is another important factor. You must be employed and have a monthly income that qualifies you for the refinance so that your PITI, or principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, is less than 30% of your monthly income for your new loan. In order for us to determine what to buy it for and what your new loan will be, the first thing we need is a current appraisal within the last 90 days. Furthermore, there is some cost on your part, but it's very insignificant considering the thousands you will save with your new loan. I'll discuss that in a minute. In order for us to move forward, there are a few things you have to do. We need to get that appraisal. To protect you and us, we use an attorney to review your situation and actually do the negotiations with your current lender. Now, as soon as these attorneys pick up the phone and call the banks, they're all of a sudden ready to listen to where, if you try to do this yourself, 99% of the time, the banks just tell you no. So that's why we use the attorneys to make this happen. So we require that you pay for that attorney directly, and the cost varies, but in most cases it's under 5,000. And the third thing is we need a current copy of your credit report within the last 30 days. You can go online and have that pulled. The last thing is I have a simple agreement between us. It doesn't obligate you to anything and basically lets me know that you're serious about moving forward. Obviously, it's contingent upon the bank accepting our terms. Now, if you meet the criteria above and are willing to move forward, then pick up the phone and give me a call, 850-368-7177. We're closing these deals every day and helping people restructure their mortgage, saving them hundreds of thousands while saving their home and keeping their good credit. So call me, Neil Howe, today with your questions and to get started, and I look forward to working with you soon. Thank you.